Hello, everyone. It's Mitzi Ditzy again, episode 2. Thank you for joining us. We're very happy you're here. Oh, I hear somebody. Anyway, I just don't know what we're going to talk about today. I'm wondering what's going to happen. Oh, someone's here.
Oh,
why, it's my daughter.
Glitzy Ditzy here.
Glitzy Ditzy's here.
Feature reporter and stylish.
Oh my goodness, Ditzy, how are you, Glitzy Ditzy?
Okay.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, I did.
I hear you have a joke for the people. Just look at the camera and tell them what the joke is, because they don't have a lot of time. You know, this day and age is very busy.
Listen, Glitzy's talking. Where'd the cows go on the Saturday night? You
Wait,
don't know.
I can't
I
hear
do.
it. Say
Where'd
it.
the cows go on the Saturday night?
Where'd your who go?
The cows go on the Saturday night.
I just don't know.
To the movies. Of course you didn't know.
That's it. Bye-bye. Episode 3 is coming soon on the Mitzi Ditzy Show.
And
Thanks,
Glitzy.